Not all payment processors are as safe as they look. Sign up blindly and you could end up with frozen funds or an account shut down before you even get momentum. Here is a quick way to check reputation. Just search the processor's name with the word reviews. You will see ratings and real stories from other business owners. Some forums also share warning signs about fund holds or shutdowns. This gives you a snapshot of what others are experiencing, but it is limited. Reviews don't always tell you how the processor treats your specific industry. When you are new to payments, it is tempting to go with the fastest option. But processors like Stripe or PayPal often approve you instantly, then flog your account later once they realize your business model. That's why it is smart to research reputation upfront. Checking reviews online helps, but it does not guarantee that a processor understands high risk businesses or that they will actually support your industry long term. That's where EasyPay Direct stands out. They have been trusted by over 30,000 businesses across the US and Canada, and they work with more than 30 back-end banking partners. That means your account is matched with a bank that supports your business from the start, dramatically reducing the risk of shutdowns later. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can check them out. On top of reliability, they also offer chargeback mitigation and transaction routing tools that most processors don't give you at all. If you want confidence that your processor can handle your business as you grow, EasyPay Direct is a smart place to start. You will find the link in the description when you are ready to get set up.